In this video we'll discuss about bedtime routine for anxiety relief. Hey there, friends. Today, I want to share with you my bedtime routine for anxiety relief. Trust me, these steps have really helped me unwind and relax after a long day. So, let's dive right in. First things first, I always start with a warm cup of chamomile tea. This soothing beverage is known to calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. I then move on to a hot shower or bath, which not only helps me de-stress, but also provides a sense of self-care that's much needed at the end of a busy day. After my shower or bath, I make sure to moisturize and apply eye cream. This little ritual gives me a sense of pampering and helps me feel fresh and ready for bed. Now it's time for one of my favorite parts, reading. Choose a book that you find engaging and interesting, as this will help your mind focus on the story rather than your worries. Once you've finished reading, or if you prefer audiobooks like me, make sure to set your alarm clock for the next day. As the last step in my routine, I jot down 3 things I'm grateful for in a journal before turning off all the lights and drifting off to sleep. And there you have it, folks. Give this bedtime routine a try and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Good night and sweet dreams.